Hey, what's going on, y'all? So today I'm about to be talking about how to get the free-to-play game called League of Ancients, how to get their tokens. All right. So first, you wanna have a MetaMask wallet. From that point, with the MetaMask wallet, you need to get on the Binance Smart Chain, right? And for those of you that don't know how to do it, I'll just go over it real quick. So to basically get on the Binance Smart Chain, which is this one right here, I already have it on my MetaMask wallet. So basically, you go to Add Network, open up a new tab, type in Binance Smart Chain Network RPC, right? You can kind of like scroll through any of these or whatever, but it's pretty much the first one though. But just for future, other connecting to other networks, you just look through the articles or whatever, and it'll tell you, which one that you need to put in there, input in there. So, okay, so here it is. This is right. This is it right here. So this is the main net, the network name, smart chain, new RPC URL, boom, chain ID, boom, symbol, BNB, boom, block explorer, URL, boom, right? And then at that point, all you would do is just input all that information into here. All of that information is right here, what you need. Then you will push save, and then it should connect you to the Binance Smart Chain on your MetaMask wallet, right? And then you should see the BNB symbol come up, right? So if you see the BNB symbol come up, that's how you know you connected. And so from this point on, you will go to an exchange like Binance.us, right? So Binance.us, you want to log into your account, right? Boom. Just logging in. It's gonna send me a little phone, 6-digit code. Okay, you gotta push send. Actually, it doesn't just send it automatically. Six, right? So once you get into your Binance.us, basically what you want to do is go to buy crypto, right? Buy crypto. Now the League of Ancients, their token is like $37, or no, $31.25. Now this is just the beta capsule. You can have, you can buy the alpha capsule, the Genesis capsule, or the immortal skin. For right now, I am just gonna go ahead and just do the one for $31.25. So for this one, I would just put in, I will buy like around, let's say, like $45 worth of BNB. So 45, boom, you put that in, right? Search for BNB, boom, right? So you'll put 45, and then preview purchase, and then boom, it's gonna subtract some of the money because for for fees and things like that. And also you're gonna have to pay some fees on the next step as well. And the next step would be basically going to your wallet, and then going to your BNB. I don't see it on here. But yeah, you would just go to the wallet, you would go to the BNB, and then you will go to withdraw, right? And then from this point on, you will push however much BNB that you have. It should be like 0.07 BNB if you put $45 in there. Okay, so yeah, at this point you would do that. You would put 0.07. All right, let's say this is BNB. We're just pretending today. Then you would need the token address. I mean, not the token address, the MetaMask wallet address, right? That has your BNB. I mean, that had the one. Make sure it's the smart chain network, not the Ethereum or the any other one. It's your money is gonna get lost. So basically, we just copy the billboard, right? Go here, paste this, boom. Now it's in there. Now you would just preview withdraw, and then it should let you do it like that. And then that's basically how you transfer, BNB to your MetaMask wallet. To then from that point on, you will go ahead on and just push buy now. Your wallet is gonna come up. Right, and it's gonna charge you a little fee, but it's nothing like the Ethereum network. The fees are real low, so you ain't gotta worry about that. That's why I had you guys put in $45, to just knock out that fee. But it's gonna be less than that. But yeah, from that point on, you just boom. That's the estimated gas fee. Boom. Then that's the total that you're buying of the LOA coin. Boom. Then you push confirm, and then from that point on, you should have it. So when they release the game, you can spend your tokens. It should be. It's gonna pop up because I did it already. I had bought my beta capsule. But when you have it on a different network, it shows different. So let me go ahead and refresh this. Right. Okay, so now it's refreshed. Now you see that I have the money in there because I had to switch to a different network on here, and it took it off because it doesn't work on the same network as, you know what I mean. Your LOA tokens are going to be on your smart chain network. So yeah, that's basically how you get your LOA coins before they drop the game. And yeah, they got different selections. Whichever one you're gonna roll with, that's on you. Me, I chose the beta just for right now. And yeah, if you appreciate the video, like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below, and I'm gonna see y'all next time. Peace.